Hey, we found the big river, finally. So, this is here. So this looks amazing. It's going to be quite deep here. Nice big size weir there. During the off season, somebody told me about crayfish and how they hide on the rocks. So I appreciate that, whoever said that. I'll keep an eye out for them. First obvious patch, nice deep point here. Twist. Darker in there. I'll probably end up panning in there. So there's no gold in there. That's absolutely fine. Oh, I like that dark material. Again, I'm going to try different samples, different places along the way. I'm cautious at the minute. I want to make sure I don't see any cows. If I do, I'm hopping the other side of that fence. These are any geological differences. Nice quartz, conglomerate stuff there. Cool. Let's see if I can go down a bit deeper. I don't want to get my weddies wet though. I'll do is I pinned this location, so later on I'll check it. Black sand. Tell you what, I'm going to grab the shovel. We'll make a little hole there. This section here where it's a lot darker material. Basically, if you just push it with your foot, you should see it turn. So we're looking for that darker. See that? It's a lot darker there than it is over there. So that's what we want. So I have the shovel with me. I'm going to move a lot of that material and then we'll take a draw with circuit tube. Right, let's crack on with that. Let's go find the shiny and try and relax as regards to cows. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to grab a sample from that same section we were working, but we're just going to drop down a bit. Basically, I'm just going to call this stuff here overburden. That's what we're looking for. I worked ground very similar to this layout and I was finding little bits of gold. So yeah, I'll just go down and get a quick shovel of material. Then I'll get a sucker draw. Just want to get to that point where it drops. Yeah, see where it drops there? That's what you're looking for. Right, that'll leave for now. So let me know in the comments below if you like the new shoulder mount. First time using it, it is a bit shaky as if to get it strapped to my size, but I think it'll work. Cool, like that. Really like that. That's the darkest material I've seen all day. That little tributary had nothing like this. Very nice. I saw a quick flash in my pan there, hoping that's gold. That's gold that we setting up the box immediately. Nope. Black sand. No, just black sand. This is bizarre. As I've worked, as I say, I've worked further downstream. I mean, granted, it was about 2 kilometers downstream. It's all granite here. You see in between these rocks. That's good. So what I'm going to do is going to shift the overburden, sucker draw and carry it over We'll see how we get on with that. Can't get over how lovely this place is. Really nice. Let's run some of this back out of the way, and then I'll get the sucker tube in, get one draw from there, and we'll see where we're at. Yeah, so far that's the best pan of best material I've seen. Right, let's have a quick look, see how we're getting on. To be honest with you, there's no gold in this pan. I'll do one more quick test over here where the sluice was going to run, and after that I'll pack up and go to the next location. What you got to do, just keep testing places. No, pyrite. I got something glistening in here, but it's just pyrite. Yeah, pyrite. Right, I'm going to just grab a quick sample there, just here where the sluice is going to run. Just going to drop down a little bit, see where we're at, and if we're still no gold, then it's time to move on downstream. Right, that'll do as regards moving overburden. So what I'm going to do is, as before, we're going to get our sample, I'm going to pull back. So, go right in here, nice and deep now, go back, twist, back up, get the material in there. Draw back, twist, get the material in there. I'm so close where I can nearly just pull it straight up. Look at that. No point in the twist action. Okay, muzzle in the twist action. Go back, twist, lose the water, but keep the material. And get some from the surface as well. See, is there any full of gold? I've probably about 2 hours of daylight left. Haven't really had much to eat yet. Just a few snack bars and a few drinks. So before I start at the next location, I'll stop off and have my lunch. That's about as far as I go down. Nice light material there. Not a lot of heavies. Bump off to the side. Okay, so that's unfortunate. We didn't find any gold here. Didn't find any gold in the tributary, which is further up the hill. Didn't find any gold in the big river. So I think the logical option is just go downstream to where I did find gold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head downstream to where I know is good, about kilometers downstream, and then work that ground, and we'll see where we're at. So this has been part 2 of looking for the big gold. Part 3 will be out tomorrow. I've no idea how many more pieces are going to be in this. However long it takes to find the gold in this river, that's what we're going to do. Right, I will see you tomorrow for part 3 of finding the big gold. Hopefully then we can find some shiny. Let's go find the shiny tomorrow.